good ice cream. This morning we heading to the Chinatown area. We're gonna take metro to there. It's just a few stops from our hotel. Yeah, let's see what we can find from there. We now near the Chinatown and we're gonna go to eat some noodles. We here at early in the morning, so nothing is open yet, but we're heading to a certain food place, so we're just walking through here. Jenny wants to go to try that one later. She's very excited to eat some durian.
Yeah, because I hear that the Musang King durian kind is the most popular in Malaysia, so I have to try how this tastes.
Oh, really need to check where you step in here. So we order through QR code.
Fried, there's fried noodles, and then I think they have beef pie. Yeah, that yesterday we eat. I think it's quite heavy for the morning, so I think we just go with them.
Yeah. So our total was 37 ringgit. €7, a little bit more. We ordered 2 beef noodle soups and Coca-Cola and lemon tea. Maybe come pretty fast. Let's see. So it took about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes for our food to arrive. And this is how it looks. Let's eat. In the famous bookstore. Can you say that that book is good? Better sidewalks?
Yeah.
Yeah. the area near our hotel. The sidewalk is like 1 meter wide, but in here we have plenty of space. They have a free tasting bits.
This looks like one cake in Vietnam. The taste. That is the signature one.
And I will taste also.
A little bit sour.
That's pretty good.
The one we taste is Lemak. So it's a signature one. Oh. Exactly same with the one in Vietnam. It's used with the palm sugar.
I got a matcha cone. It costs 2 ringgit. It's more solid than in other places. It's pretty good taste also. Good ice cream. Now we're heading to the Central Market, which have been since 1888. So I don't know what they have in there. Let's go to see. Seems like they have done some renovation, so everything looks pretty new. Yeah, pretty cool looking place.
Look like
Pretty huge looking place.
it looks like a Kopahali in Helsinki. Like Kopahali.
But this is much bigger.
Oh,
I think it more reminds me of the Central Market also in Hong Kong.
yeah.
Seni found a Daruma shop. And Darumas and Lucky Cats. All kind.
I really love them.
We don't need that.
I do.
Kind of cool shirts also. Some vintage shop also in here. All kind kind of things, and they have a juice in there. Let's see there. Yeah. Came to sit down and enjoy some huge coffee. I thought that it's a small coffee, but it's that big. And it cost 5.3 ringgit cold, and I think it was 4.3 hot. It's hot weather, so I want to drink cold. And this pretty cool food court. They have quite a lot of stores. I think they're mostly empty now because it's so early in the morning. It's not lunchtime yet. This area they have lots of like colonial era buildings. Carts for only women, which is usually on the middle. Now we're heading to Saloma Bridge, which go to Kampung Baru area, and in there we're gonna go to eat some Nasi Lemak in Wanjo Nasi Lemak place. I think it's reflecting a Malaysian flag on there now. That area across the road is the Kampung Baru, and we're heading to there. Have arrived. So here's the Nasi Lemak, I also took a fried egg. There's also boiled egg, some anchovies. I think that is a sambal sauce and the chicken. And Jenny also took some beef.
It's spicy. It's spicy.
The sambal is spicy? Okay.
Okay, so now I taste mine. The sambal, this sauce is actually spicy for me. I don't eat spicy. It's sweet. It's like a jam, but I think it's gonna be good. I asked the beef, is it spicy? She said that a little bit spicy. So I'm not so sure. It's like a beef stew. It's spicy. Oh my god, it's not a little spicy. It's spicy. It is spicy.
And then open one more. From here. Yeah.
Hello, Bob.
Chicken is pretty good.
You want to taste the beef of mine?
Yeah, sure. Take a bite from there. Beef.
It's not so salty. That is a
Yeah.
good sign.
The beef is pretty juicy. Little spice. Yeah, pretty good. Also have a small stores and street vendors. There you can get a burger. There is some other nasi lemak, nasi pelar, nasi kebabu, kerabu. Some wings. Some nasi lemak. The street where we went to eat is in there, and you can see the Petronas in there, and the Saloma Bridge is also there somewhere, so it's pretty close.